Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick overview about these two AI websites called Sora and Vizard. Sora and Vizard. So this is the platform. If you want to access it, just access through the search bar and put in Vizard.ai, then click it onto the official website, and Sora, which is openai.com/Sora, then get access to the website. So Sora is an OpenAI website that allow you to create a stunning video easily. So Sora sign up for early access and be among the first to experience the features of video creation. Right. So and this website also comes with three key important features, which allows you to turn text into videos and also add a realistic visual, like what you can see from the screen, and also it has a high quality rendering, which makes it super cool for editors. So let's get started. What is Sora? So ever wish you could just describe the video you want and have it appear? That's what Sora does. It's mind blowing. You literally type what you want and you get what you want. So with the help of the Sora AI it generates a super cool videos, just as the way you identify and indicate the type of video you want, and it does that with the help of Sora AI, which is the open AI source that is present on the website. It generates a stunning video and a captivating video. So think of realistic graphics, smooth motion, and incredible details. It's like a magic, but it's real. So that's what this website does. It gives an absolute real content based on your details, based on your details and what you want. So here are key important benefits of this website. You can simply get unmatched realisms, like Sora generates videos that looks like they were filmed with a real camera. You also get access to creative freedom and bring any ideas to life, no matter how complex, image, entire world, and characters. You also get an intuitive interface. Even beginners can easily create a professional looking videos with the help of this website. So you don't have to have a full skills before you can use this AI website, but it's easy to use. It has an intuitive interface that can work better and can allow you to easily create a professional video looking. And also some pros about this website, which is some important features or things you stand to gain, advantages of this website. Then I'm going to talk about the downside of this website too. Some of the advantages of using this Sora AI website for generating videos or creating content is it has an incredible innovative. It also gives a video creation that feels like a magic and get access to the possibilities that are endless, and also the animation quality is impressive. The animation quality is very impressive. It's super awesome, and also get access to surprisingly easy to use. It is very easy to use. Like I said, it has a very easy interface that makes it more easier for beginners and not skilled person to create an amazing and good looking professional videos. And here's the downside of this website: its access is very limited. Okay, and also we don't know the pricing, because the pricing is not stated on the website. So you just have to refer to the customer service. So it has no pricing, and it can also create a super long videos. It can't create a super long videos, which can be annoying in case of you want a very long videos, but there's a 10-minute upload. Maybe you want to put it on your YouTuber. I need a very long videos. It can't create that. Just a very short quick video, and also it's still under development. We access the website, we check that the website is still under development. A lot of things to be added to the website. Just fill its image up and down, here and here. So the website is still under development. So there's a lot of things they need to us just working on it, and also its result can be unpredictable. That's one thing about this website. The results can be unpredictable. You cannot be self-reliant on this website because it is still on the development. So anything can happen anytime, any day. So by using this website, you have to have that back of your mind that things have to be proven in place. So that's it. So let's go on to the next website called Vizard. So Vizard, right? So here's a Vizard too. With the help of this AI, you can also generate videos with just a single click. Yeah. So what's Vizard? Vizard is Vizard is your new best friend. It takes those long videos and transform them into short and snappy click videos. So with the help of this AI website, you can simply turn your long videos into viral clip with just a single AI magic. So if you have a video like your editors and you've been provided with very long clip videos, looking for a way to make it viral clip, with the help of this AI will analyze the video and bring out the most important part of this video for you with the help of this AI magic. So that's one thing about Vizard. So think TikTokers, if you are TikTokers, or you want to post reels or just a YouTube short, Vizard make it happen. So if you are a YouTuber, if you are a TikToker and Instagram, and you want to make a content, a very short content reels, not make a short videos about the videos that you can post on your social media platform, for example like TikTok, for Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, because all those platforms mentioned, they have limited certain durations of video that can be published on those platforms, which just 2 minutes, and you have about 10 minutes or above videos. This video with this AI website, you can get that done by just turn your long videos into a viral clip, just a very short clip. So that's it. So using this Vizard website, it comes with a huge benefit, which you will not want to lose. The first thing is it comes with an AI script writing that generates script in seconds for you. Within seconds, this AI will generate a script writing for you in your video, and also get access to templates just from about 100 to 100 plus professional templates that can be re-edited or customized by you. Also get access to voice cloning, so you can generate the realistic voiceover with your voice using the AI tools on this website. You also get access to collaboration tools, so work with your teams on a video project. So you can simply get teams on this platform and work in a simple video project, and also get access to advanced editing, so fine tune your videos with precision. So with tools available on this website, you can simply advance your editing lifestyle by just make a lot of investments using the advanced editing features that is present on this website. So let's check the pricing list on this website. Let's go to the pricing list. Here's the pricing list compared to the other website. So here's the perfect plan for you. Okay, and so the plan is being divided into two. You can make the monthly plan and the year plan, and the year plan actually saves you 50% of your payment. Then under the monthly plan, you don't pay for starter. Don't pay for starter. These are the available features that is available on the free version. So you can try Vizard for free. Just try it, then sign up and it's for free. So under that, you have access to private workspace, you manage one social media account, and the key features under this plan is that you get access to AI generated clip, full access to the editor, and export videos in Sora 20 pixel, and you also get about 3 days storage on the free version. And on the creators version, which produce high quality videos with tarmac free, pay nothing less than $19 per month, and get access to 400 upload minutes per month. Then you also get access to this features, which is private workspace and SIS social media account. Then with this key features, which is no matter how export videos of 4K, schedule videos, social posts, and also get access to video stored forever. So on this free version, you only get access to 3D storage, or on the creators plan, you have access to stored videos forever, video stored forever. And the business plan is $29 per month, access to 400 upload per minute per month. Also get access to, which is include features, which is share working space, also manage 20 social media accounts at the go. Then you also get access to this list of the features right here, which is invite team member. That's between $10 per month. Also get access to limited viewers in a brand kit with a custom font, which is super cool. So right here you can simply decide which of the plan you want to go for and see how it works best for you. And here are available tools that you can use on this website. So if you are aiming for video editing, here are the available features that is under this video editing. You can simply use you can simply add image to video, you can add text to videos, you can have automatic video editors, also make a clip maker, a crop videos, repose videos, resize videos, and video splitter with a video trimmer. So if you want to add a subtitle or transcription with this, just go to these are the list of tools or feature tools that you can use for that. You can simply use the subtitle editor or dictation software or video text or video translator. You can also auto subtitle generator with a podcast transcription, a video caption generator with so these are the available tools that can be used for this wide range of services, because video editing is inevitable in title and the transcription. And use cases, you can use the AI podcast clip to generate free generator. You can also use the Facebook video editors and the Instagram video editors and a lot more, just to make your work more super cool and more demanding. The help of with the help of Vizard. So talking about the pros and cons on this website, one of the first pro is it's an AI writing, which is a game changer. Also get access to unlimited templates, which you can diverse into different design, and you can also use this website, the Vizard website, for screen recording features, which is very useful, and also get access to great for quick videos. Then one of the downsides of this website is that the video customization is a bit limited. You also get a steeper learning curve and limited editing features, and templates can feel repetitive. So that's one of the downsides of this website. So that's it. Another thing is super cool. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two AI websites, which is Sora, OpenAI, and Vizard, which can be used for videos. So that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button for more. Thank you.